Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use Expedia AfterPay payment. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on the AfterPay official website. So to use afterpay at Expedia, you just have to download the afterpay app and research for Expedia on the afterpay application, and then you just have to open the Expedia store and start shopping. And then once you are done shopping, you can just check out with afterpay and choose how to pay. So this is how you use afterpay at Expedia. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. By the way guys, before I end this video, you can just go to your iOS App Store or Google Play Store on your Android device and search for afterpay here, and you can just download the application from here if it's available in your region, or otherwise you can just go to the afterpay website and sign up on the account, and then you can just search your desired store, which in this case is Expedia. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.